up, baby? Let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all good? I ate. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. And I am back to bring you another video, and today it's all about hair. I am going to be bringing you guys a review over this unit that I have on right now. Y'all thought it was my real hair, didn't you? I wasn't gonna tell y'all otherwise, but the only reason why I am telling y'all otherwise is because I want y'all to go ahead and jump on top of this wig, because baby, honey, she is giving. Do you hear me? She is giving. She is giving body, length. She is giving everything that she needs to be giving. Natural. She's giving, okay? And so y'all, the wig that is giving is, and I don't want to say it wrong, but I know I am because I always butcher the name of these companies up. So I am going to definitely say this company's name wrong, but this is the Domiso 22-inch Wear and Go Glueless Kinky Straight wig. Now y'all, this wig came packaged beautifully. Not really a fan of the box, but it came with a box and a bag. So I could store it in either the bag or the box. I have options. We love options. And this is going to be my first glueless unit. And I love the fact that it didn't come with all that lace, y'all. All that lace it did not come with. But you know what? I want y'all to see how the wig comes. Like, I'm going to let y'all see me unboxing the wig and everything. And once y'all see me unboxing the wig, then we'll get into how I feel about the wig, my thoughts on the wig, and whether or not I feel like this is something that you need to spend your coins on. So, roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, so like I said before, it came in a box, also came with a bag, and it came with some cute little lashes. Now, I don't have the lashes on right now, but the lashes are actually cute, because y'all know usually lashes that come in those wig boxes or the wig bags, those lashes do not be the business. But those lashes that it came with, actually cute. I was surprised by that. I'm not going to tell y'all when I'm going to be able to wear the lashes, just because I have some lashes from a TikTok shop that I am currently enjoying, which are the lashes that I have on right now. So I'm not so sure when I'm going to wear the lashes that came with this wig, but the lashes that came with this wig are actually nice, and actually something that I feel like you should wear. My hair doing something right here on this side. Let me just do it like that, man, because you know. Okay, so the lashes are something that I would actually wear. I also like the fact that it was a Melanin Beauty that was on the little wig cap packaging. That was really cute. She was really cute. Whoever she is, really, really beautiful. That added a really nice touch. And y'all, the lace. I was about to start talking about it in the beginning, but let's talk about the lace. Lace, really, really pretty. Now, the wig did not come bleached. Like the knots did not come bleached. So if that is something that you want to do, you would have to do it. I personally do not have my wig, the knots bleached. I have the Ruby Kisses cream foundation on my lace, as well as, just to seal it up, I have this Eben New York tinted lace foaming mousse in the shade dark brown. And this is what I use. I use these two to tint the lace up. And I also use the Eben Wonder Lace Bond in the Extreme Firm Hold, the black bottle. And I took it old school because it's also something that I've been seeing on TikTok. It's what the girlies use, spritz. So I used the combination of these two in order to lay my lace down, and then of course, you know, you just tie her up with a lace band. Did that. And just to lay my part down, make sure the hair was laid down, I used the Luster's Renutrients Slick Stick. This is what I've been using on my wigs since the dawn of time, y'all. Since I've gotten into wigs, that's what I've been using to lay this little part right here, the middle, how I'm parting my hair. That's what I use to make it smooth. I like the fact that this wig really, and I have a mirror right here, so that's why I keep looking right here, you guys. This wig really mimics natural hair texture that has been blown out. And when I say that has been blown out, I mean it's blown out right before you go in to flat iron or hot comb it. I love the fact that this wig mimics that. One thing I will say though that I didn't like was fresh out of the pack, it had like a little chemical smell to it. Was it really chemical? I don't know, but it had a smell to it that I didn't like. So I did wash the wig, and I am going to insert a clip of me flat ironing the hair, doing all of that, because I did use a flat iron in order to achieve these little curls that I have in my hair. I did wash the hair because I wanted that smell off of it. And once I washed it, the smell went away, but it was like a strong chemical hair smell, and I didn't like that smell at all. So that smell had to go in order for me to put this on my hair. So that was a negative to the wig, was that smell. But once I washed it, you guys, it really was like, it really mimicked how your hair would be. This is for my natural girlies. You have your silk press, but it's time for you to go ahead and wash your hair and refresh your hair, refresh your style. So you wash your hair, and as you're washing your hair, it reverts to the curl. That's exactly what this wig did. Now, it wasn't like how our natural hair, we all have different textures, such as 1A, 2A, 4B, you know, all that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all know how we have our natural hair. It didn't actually mimic a 4B or 3. It didn't mimic a 3 or 4 texture. I would say it more so mimicked a 1, because the curl, it was like a little wave that was really, really loose. And I didn't press too much up here so that y'all could see the wave. And I'm trying to see if right here, this is how it looked, because I didn't go all the way up one. Can y'all see that? I didn't go all the way up on the hair when I curled it. Right here, this is how it looked. This is how it looked, because I didn't go all the way up and press the root part of the hair when I did the curl. So this is exactly how the hair looked freshly washed. Y'all, look here, let me tell you something. When I saw how the hair looked, because I was nervous, I was like, what if this, because of the smell, what if this is like synthetic, like a synthetic mix, even though it says it is a human hair? What if this synthetic mix, what if they done dupe me? We're gonna have to ride out at dawn if they did that. But no, they didn't. It just mimicked how your hair might look after you wash your hair from doing a silk press. So I really, really enjoyed that. I liked it. Yes. Now, if you are a girly, and maybe because I didn't do a hard curl, like I didn't do a tight curl on this hair, but the curls that I did put in, they're dropping a little bit. And I'm just sitting in the house and I just did these. But me personally, I don't do real tight curls anyway, so it didn't bother me. I just wanted a little pizzazz just to show y'all that, you know, she does do what she needs to do. So it wasn't anything too deep that I was trying to do with the curl on this wig. But she probably could hold a tight curl. I just haven't done it. But so far from what I'm seeing, the curls do drop. But they don't drop dramatically. Like it's just like a little drop where it'll be a little relaxed. But overall, this wig mimics natural hair that has been blown out. And my God, I love it. Now, when I bought this is a 22 inch. And I'm looking at the website because it is an Amazon exclusive. I don't know if I said that, but it's an Amazon exclusive, y'all. Y'all know I love Amazon wigs. But the lengths that it come in is 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. And I did get a 22 inch. Now, like I said, this is a glueless wig, and with it being my first glueless, I do know that sometimes glueless wigs, they will push your muffin cap back blue. So I went ahead and I just stuck her down, and I showed y'all what it is that I stuck her down with. Now, I got the 22 inch, y'all. The 22 inch retails for $140. But Amazon had a $20 coupon that this particular company was adding on to the total price of the wig. Now, I did get the wig along with some other stuff from Amazon, so I can't tell you just the, price plus tax. I can't tell you that price because I did order other stuff to go along with the wig. But $140 for a 22 inch glueless Yaki wig minus $20. Tell me that's not a good deal. And y'all, it's worth it. And I bought this wig with my own coins. Now, sometimes I do know that depending on the company, they will send influencers the better hair versus the people that actually purchase the hair. I purchased this. My own coins, my hard-earned coins are what was used to purchase this wig because I wanted a Yaki unit. I wanted a Yaki wig unit because my natural hair, when pressed out, mimics Yaki. So I wanted a wig that mimicked my hair. So y'all know, if it's not good hair, it does not make it to my channel. If it's something that I feel like you shouldn't spend your hard-earned coins on, then it does not make it here to my channel. But this is worth it. Y'all need to get this. Y'all need to get this, okay? Expeditiously. Y'all know, as always, I will put the link down to this unit down in the description box below. I want to say thank y'all for coming through and watching my video. I know sometimes I be sporadic with the posting, but I'm going to do better. I promise you, I'm going to do better, okay? And if ever I'm not posting a YouTube video, I'm on Instagram and I'm on TikTok and I'm on Facebook. Y'all follow me on those platforms. If ever I'm not posting anything on YouTube, I'm on those other platforms. I'm on Instagram posting a picture or a reel. I'm on TikTok posting a video. I'm on Facebook posting a picture or a reel. I'm over there. If y'all don't see me on YouTube, come on over to my other social sites and join me, okay? We have fun over there too. We don't just have fun over here on my YouTube. But I do want to say thank y'all for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe if you haven't. And get this unit, baby. I ain't want to gatekeep and not tell y'all. Get this unit. All right, y'all. Bye.
Looking at your body, God is Aphrodite.